Ebya Centenary Bank biranze.
Remind me of your name again, please.
Denise.
Denise?
Yes.
Abakulu tebakyebaka.
This is government of Uganda land.
Emboozi eyaferebwa obukadde bwa Uganda obusoba mu 17 basatizza.
In brief, I bought property from the bank, Centenary Bank, and it turned out that the bank did not have any ownership or any jurisdiction on this property.
Biwanvuye.
Want to mark this line and find more about you.
Linira ekitundu kyaffe ekyokubiri nga tukutuusaako obunkenke obutudde ku kizimbe ky'amapeera awali Centenary Bank ng'abakulu beebuuza kye bazzaako.
The bank would like to share its side of the story with you. I don't know if you're in position to meet.
Mwana tutuzudde n'ebipya ebiri emabega w'obufere obwakolebwa na buli omu eyeenyigira mu kufera Peetero ono ku ttaka ly'ekibira eryogerwako.
Temwagala okuvaayo obulungi nange musange nga neetegese ebiwandiiko byonna bifunye naye kati sibirina.
Wano wokka ku Uganda Eyenkya.
Njagala ssente zange mwanguza mpewo.
They just kept quiet. It's been a year with my money.
Actually, I tried calling Lugalambi, Madame Lugalambi, and even
Yes.
Fabian.
You reached them?
Yeah, I reached them, and I have the recordings. They never picked up. I can't do that unprofessional thing of being unfair to the bank. I have no reasons for being unfair. I still have the recording of Mr. Fabian. The phone rang until the person cannot
Reach.
So I called even Beatrice Lugalambi and even my colleagues.
They called her.
Yeah, they did the same. NFA picked up. The chairman corresponded. Motes responded. The auctioneer. But fact is, the bank didn't have evidence to that. So it's not that I didn't balance the story. No, I balanced it. The only thing that I didn't put in a recording of the phone ringing because I recorded it. So to be clear on that, I balanced it and I wanted to, So apparently, actually, I published this story. The only thing that we can do, if there is another, I think there is another story coming up on other channels. I think that's when we can fix in that response. Yes, but I personally, I think I would just request that be done. That we do that on a phone call interview because I'm away. I'm out of Kampala, and that's what I told even Motes, that I just wanted to have a phone call interview because it's the same information after all. Because if I can't do that quickly, I think even on phone call one can provide their side of the story.
Would a holding statement suffice? A statement in response?
Holding what?
A statement. Would it suffice? A holding statement as opposed phone call interview? Like, can we write a response? Is that okay?
I would
share a response with you.
I think preferably let's do a phone call interview. It's better because I called the other parties. They didn't write. So I feel I can pose the questions that I feel which can't be responded rightly into the document. So it's better. I do the same way I did to NFA, Motis, the chairman, and even other parties. I asked questions to them. So preferably that would be better if my questions as a journalist are responded to in a verbatim. Yes.